We are drawing a zebra today. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. We are continuing on with our African Critters Volume 3 coloring book, and I chose a zebra because I think they're pretty cool. I like them. They were one of the critters I saw on TV a lot with our 3.5 channels we had growing up way out in the Missouri Ozarks, and I would watch. There'd be a lot of wildlife shows. The only one I remember the name of is the Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. That one was my favorite, and I remember seeing zebras on it, and so I decided to throw that in here. It's fun trying to pick out which ones to include in the coloring book for the third volume that I'll be putting out in a few weeks on Amazon. And the body I had to adjust quite a bit. I couldn't get it quite right. Couldn't get the back and front angled right. Got the front legs a little stiff, but hey, maybe this critter just stopped running and caught him in action. I can always dream that that's what it is, and maybe that's what it is. So the stripes on the zebra, each one, they're all unique. So each zebra has its own unique stripe pattern, kind of like your fingerprint, and which helps it blend in when they're all together. So it makes it difficult for the predators to pick one out. And it's they think it regulates body temperature on their backs and their neck, and may deter biting insects. That's just one of the little items I read about. So if it's wrong, let me know. If it's right, let me know in the comments. It's always fun to learn more about all these critters as I draw them and research them and look at the different pictures. I looked at about had about five up on my screen for examples, and so you can't go wrong when you put the stripes on them. Since they're all unique, there's no one way to do it. And I found out they can also cross rivers quite well. They're good swimmers, and they have a great memory. They remember where their water holes are and the best feeding places. So it's interesting. I never knew zebras were quite so intelligent, and their back legs are really strong. So if they get attacked by a lion, they can injure a lion if they hit them in the right spot. If you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. I'm always ready to read and respond to comments. And we're coming to the end. Here's my final drawing, and hope you have a great day.